Aloha, my lovely subscribers. I am so happy to welcome you to my most special unboxing yet. Not only is this my first Christian Dior bag, but it is an iconic style that I can't believe I can now say that I have. But as you will see, I really and truly think this bag was made for me. It has little pieces of me. To me, it encapsulates where I live in the beautiful, perfect state of Hawaii. I cannot wait to share and review with you guys. Before I get started, I do want to let you know that I do have Maui resources in my description below. So please feel free to peruse around those, donate what you can. But if you cannot, that is totally fine. But perhaps just spread awareness and share those links. Without further ado, let's dive in. Be patient with me as this is my first Christian Dior unboxing, so I am going to fangirl over every aspect of the packaging. We have this beautiful bag with a gold star. Oh my gosh, it's weighted. I had no idea. It just looked, oh, and it has Dior. Oh my goodness. Okay, beautiful bow. I had a wonderful essay named Roxa. He was great. So if you do go to Christian Dior at Ala Moana Mall in Hawaii on Oahu, hit him up. So this is kind of an early birthday present for myself. I'm gonna start off piece by piece. Okay, I told you that I was gonna be annoying with this because I'm so excited. And as you can see, the packaging is all around the box. I haven't even seen the box yet. I haven't taken it out. I've been waiting on you guys. Ta-da! Oh my goodness, just so beautiful. I don't wanna get my makeup on it. Wow. Okay, here we go. I feel bad undoing the ribbon. I'm never going to be able to redo that, so that unboxing is one time. Okay, one more look at the box. I might have to rip the sticker, I don't know. Okay, we're good. Gorgeous. Oh my gosh, the tissue paper, like, can I sleep in here? It's crazy. My heart is like racing, I don't know why. Oh, okay. It's probably because I'm thinking about all the money that I spent on this. Oh my god, it smells so good too. It's not even leather, if that gives you a hint. Gotta take a quick research pause here because I gotta pronounce this correctly. Okay, here we go. This is the Christian Dior Toile de Jouy.
Jouy.
Jouy. I don't feel like that's correct. Here we go.
Toile de Jouy.
Oh, I guess it is. Okay, well, here we go. This is the Christian Dior saddlebag in beige multicolor Toile de Jouy Voyage embroidery. I'm going to do lots of close-ups of the print. Toile de Jouy just means printed calico with a characteristic of floral figures and landscape, typically like upholstery and things like that. So Christian Dior is obviously not the owner of Toile de Jouy, but it is one of their signature prints. And they have all different kinds. Like they have an astrology themed one. This one is voyage themed. So you can see there is an elephant at the top. We have some palm trees, hibiscus flowers, and then my favorite is the tiger here. So it is in beige. She's beautiful. Of course, the Christian Dior D for Dior. It's so heavy, let me tell you. The CD on the sides. A beautiful top handle. The Toile de Jouy does not come with the huge thick shoulder strap. You would have to purchase that separately. But I will say I did try one on. They had the Paris landscape print, which is very cute, and it's in the same beige and black. That is in right now for the fall and late summer. But it looks beautiful to hang it up in your room, but when I tried it on, it was so thick. Like the strap is literally this thick and it just eats you up. I'm honestly completely fine that it did not come with that strap. It just looks like a very summer beachy bag, but it also is in the beige and black neutrals, so it will go with essentially anything at any time of year. I do think that this is a great bag for a capsule closet because of the colors, and it's the iconic saddle bag. So I am fine with this while I am creating my capsule closet. On the back we have this nice huge pocket. It's a little stiff now because it's new, but you could also have the option to get it personalized for free. They gave you 3 characters on the saddlebag. I know you have 5 for the Lady Dior, and they had about, I don't know, maybe 5 different colors. But I did ask to see, could I see a sample, and I figured that they would have like a fabric sample with them on it so you could see, but they didn't. It was just virtual, just like if you went online yourself. I don't know, my essay, Roxa, like without saying it, you could tell, like when I asked about getting the personalization, he was very hesitant. I could tell he didn't want me to get it too, and I was already a little sketched out because I do know, and we did discuss this, how if you get the personalization, you're pretty much killing the resale value. Because think about it, if I were to resell this bag with my initials LNG, then I would not only have to find a buyer that wants this exact bag, which is, you know, not everyone's gonna love this print, and also they're gonna have to have the initials LNG, because I don't know why else they would want someone's random initials on the back. So that is just something to keep in mind if you are thinking about personalizing your Dior bag. If you know you want to keep it forever, then go ahead. But as we discussed, you know, some people like to keep these as investments and then maybe later sell and then upgrade a bag. Back to the style. So why did I pick this? Well, first of all, I think every little girl wants, well, maybe not a little girl, but every person looks at a Christian Dior style bag and it just looks iconic. I think it's so funny to me that I actually want this, because when I started like researching and getting into learning about and luxury designer products, I saw this bag and I was like, that looks like a liver or something. Like, what? Why would you want a saddlebag? As I have learned more about the designers, learned more about the history, it has grown on me. And now I absolutely love it, and I can't believe that I own one right now. But what made me pull the trigger right now is honestly this design. I saw this and I was like, if I was going to have a saddlebag, it would be that one. The reason why is because I do live in Hawaii, so to me, I know that there's elephants and tigers, which is something that we don't have, but it just screamed Hawaii to me. I think it's probably the hibiscus flower. I also love the tiger because growing up, my school where I went to school, and then also where my mom taught, they were the tigers, and so I think like that is just a little bit of home and symbolism as well. I also absolutely love the color, because if you're going to get something as noticeable as a saddlebag and you're not going to have multiple, then I would think that you would want a neutral color to start. It screamed to me and I couldn't get it out of my mind, and I was like, okay, I think that is the one that I want, because I'm thinking I'll probably only have one saddlebag ever, so this is what I wanted. I wanted this one to be secure and be mine. Let's open it up, because I haven't even opened it up yet. You can see that the print continues. There's another elephant in here and tons of flowers. I haven't seen a lot of these on social media either. Like, I was trying to do my research and see like, okay, would I really like it? Like, what are they styling it with? Things like that. I found one on TikTok. One, honestly. I didn't find any on Instagram. I don't know if it's how people are labeling it, and like the SEO is just not working out, but I cannot find this thing. It's gonna be hard to see, but it's pretty spacious. And the beautiful leather tongue here that says Christian Dior, made in Italy. And another thing I like about this bag is the size, because I like mini bags. It's almost a mini bag, but it's actually a functional one, because usually, you know, you're struggling to fit your phone and other things. So this one is actually spacious. Your phone will for sure fit, card holder will fit, lipstick will fit, and really that's all you're gonna need. But if you have some more things, you could. Some pepper spray, you never know. There she is. I will hopefully post some outfits. I really like what I'm wearing today. It's like kind of safari khaki pants with a black crop top. But I hope you love her as much as I do. I will be doing a 6-month in review. You will see how I like her then and how much I have worn her. The good thing is that it is a summer bag, but since I do live in Hawaii and a forever summer place, I think that this can be a year-round bag. Again, thank you so much for being here during such a special unboxing for me. I have many more to come. I have a Bulgari bag sitting in there right now waiting on me to open. I'm just taking my sweet time on that one. Last but certainly not least, I do have a giveaway winner to announce. I had a giveaway going on for 1 week. Thank you so much to all that subscribed and did extra comments on my videos. I really hope that you stay. That winner will be posted in the description, as I haven't done the drawing yet because it ends tonight. So congrats to whoever you are, and I will be contacting you through the comments.